Good morning, travelers. This is your host straight from the land of dreams, schemes and backpacker thieves. आज का शो एकदम हटके है क्योंकि मैं बात करने वाली हूँ उस रूट की जो दुनिया भर के बजट ट्रैवलर्स का फेवरेट हाईवे टू हैप्पीनेस बन चुका है. The one and only banana pancake route. This video will be super helpful if you're planning an international trip on a low budget because here I'll be sharing countries to visit from India that are actually affordable. So what exactly is the banana pancake route? Let's dive in. Think of it as a highway of backpacking that runs through countries like Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos and beyond. Now, before we dive into talking about the destinations, let's talk about why these are perfect and super affordable. Direct flights from India make these destinations super accessible. They have affordable hostels starting from 500 to 800 rupees per night, street food for under 150 rupees, and activities at a fraction of European costs. All these destinations are visa friendly because most Southeast Asian countries offer e-visa or visa on arrival for Indians. We always get our visas from Atlas because that's always on time and kinda hassle-free. And yes, with just 1 to 1.5 lakh rupees, an Indian backpacker can easily cover multiple countries for 3 to 4 weeks. So let's talk about the countries now. Now this place continues to be a go-to for Indian travelers and it is a favorite for a reason. Cheap flights, mouth-watering street food, island beaches and buzzing nightlife. Plus Indians now get visa-free entry. You just need a Thailand digital arrival card that you can get from Atlas in under 5 hours. You can enjoy the floating markets of Bangkok, do island shopping or visit temples. It's a great destination for tourists on a tight budget because a 7-day Vietnam trip would cost you under 60,000 rupees with return flights. Yup, I'm not kidding. The flight price from India to Vietnam are usually around 15 to 17,000 rupees. Hostels start from rupees 500 per night and hotels from as low as 1500 per night. If you eat at restaurants, your budget for food would be around 1200 rupees per day and it could go down to 300 to 400 bucks if you choose to enjoy local food. Imagine cruising through the limestone cliffs of Halong Bay, roaming around the lantern-lit streets of Hoi An or trying various kinds of Vietnamese coffees in Hanoi. Here, local guest houses, street food and bus transport costs are very low, making this country ideal for longer stays. Here you can see the majestic Angkor Wat in Siem Reap, which is one of the world's greatest wonders, explore Phnom Penh's history and enjoy laid-back beaches in Sihanoukville. Accommodation and food again are very cheap, making it a backpacker's dream. This is a country that a lot of people miss but is one of the most affordable countries in Southeast Asia. It's peaceful, scenic and very affordable. One-way flight costs around 20 to 25,000 rupees and visa via Atlas for just this much. You can cruise the Mekong, explore Luang Prabang's temples, or just relax in peaceful riverside towns on a minimal daily budget. Now, these are the core countries on a banana pancake route. You can also visit other gems in Southeast Asia that are loosely included on this route and again are very affordable. One of them is the Philippines. It has more than 7,000 islands that offer budget-friendly beaches and adventures. Swim in Palawan's lagoons, surf in Siargao, the surfing capital, or hike Bohol's chocolate hills. Cheap hostels and local eateries make it a very affordable international destination from India. Then there's Malaysia. Flights are affordable and Indians can travel visa-free for stays up to 30 days. You just need a Malaysian digital arrival card, again very easy to get via Atlas. Hostel would cost you 600 to 800 rupees and hotels in less than 2,000 bucks. It is a foodie's paradise with street eats, beaches and great culture. Next is Indonesia and please it doesn't just have to be Bali. You can explore the beautiful islands of Java and Lombok at reasonable prices. We also went to Raja Ampat that has beautiful marine life and Labang Bajo that has unreal scenic views. Now sometimes even Nepal is considered as a part of this trail. First of all, it is just across the border and hence it's reachable even by road. It offers stunning Himalayan views and beautiful laid-back towns like Pokhara where you can sit by the peaceful lakes. You can also explore the vibrant temples in Kathmandu. Daily costs are low, Indian rupee is widely accepted, it has affordable guest houses and it's visa-free for Indians. Now let's move on to the neighboring countries. Bhutan is known as the happiest country in the world and its sustainable tourism model makes it surprisingly affordable. There's no expensive tourist fee for Indians, you just need a permit at the border. There's unmatched mountain peace and you can visit Paro Valley, hike to Tiger's Nest or stroll through the Thimphu markets. Then there's Sri Lanka. Of course, this island country is the easiest to plan because it gives luxury along with affordability. It's a country with beautiful beaches and a cuisine full of flavors. Think mountain forests, green tea gardens, and beaches so perfect you'll think you're in Maldives. And here comes the last country I'm going to talk about in this video. If you want a taste of Europe on a budget, Georgia is perfect. It has mountain highs, charming old towns, and good food at low prices, and Indians can easily apply for an e-visa. Oh, and also it has an amazing wine culture. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share it with your travel gang, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel related content.